Welcome students to our new YouTube channel Pharmatech, the division of excellence, where we teach and you learn and also you get basic knowledge of the subject. This basic knowledge you applied on your interview when you can find job on the basis of your pharmacy knowledge. But if you are a pharmacy student and if you skip the some basic concept of pharmacy, then your knowledge is not important and it is also useless. And in the field of pharmacy, your learning is temporary. If you revise regularly but you cannot recall and you thought that the subject is very tough or hard, so that's why we boost your memory by giving some tricks and how to know this knowledge long life strategy. You are the only one to know the basic knowledge. You don't need to study the whole subject, but you need the clear the basic concepts of that subject. And the other competitors don't know what do you know. So every pharmatech student is a secretly genius. The situation is if you get a job and if you sit in front of interviewer and interviewer asked what do you learn in pharmacy, this question is as per job status. Example, when you got a job in clinical pharmacy and you tell them about pharmaceutics and pharmacognosy, then interviewer said, "Get out." Thus, according to your knowledge, fixed your goals and what is your interest in which subject according to you study. The interest is more important in pharmacy field. Various students interest in pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, pharmacology, and also in pharmaceutical analysis and clinical pharmacy. So these students fix fix your goals and study those subjects which you are interested and you get some basic knowledge for that subject and you get apply this basic knowledge to your job and also you can crack the interview on the basis of your basic knowledge. And at last the Pharmatech YouTube channel not only help in GPAT but also in your daily life. And if you qualified in GPAT with great score but you don't know about basic knowledge of pharmacy and the field which you can apply the job, so the company also said get out. If you are here in Pharmatech to learn and it is our responsibility to give you basic knowledge that you not skip, and if you skip any lecture then you can't get your mission and your goal also your target. The marks in GPAT is not much more important. It is important to take admission on M Pharmacy College. So you think you get or qualify GPAT without basic knowledge or and to achieve the job on the basis of your basic knowledge of pharmacy, and comment below of your favorite subject, that means which is your favorite subject that you can achieve your target goal and apply the job. That means I also understand that which subject you most interested, then according to them we can make videos on that topic and clear your basic concept, and you cannot get your job when your basic concepts are not clear. Then please our request is to clear your basic concept first, then according to you study, and also your favorite subject, that means choose your favorite subject, and comment section you add your favorite subject. Thank you very much. This is a motivational lecture today. Thank you. Welcome students to our new YouTube channel Pharmatech, the division of excellence, where